Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to go live on TikTok without 1000 followers. Before we get started, please subscribe our YouTube channel. So first of all, open up TikTok apps on your phone. So now you click on your profile and hit the 3 scores in the right corner. It will show you directly this page. Now you go to settings and privacy. Now this page will appear. You scroll down to report a problem, then you will make sure that this page will appear. You scroll down and go to account and profile, then you will go to your profile page and hit other. You will then select now, then you will tell them your feedback. For example, you tell them that the live feature in my account is missing, please enable it for me because my followers want to keep up with what I share. I wish you help me as soon as possible. And when you finish all this, you click on submit, and as you can see it says feedback was submitted. They will respond to you after 1 to 3 days, and they will definitely give you access to the live feature. And that's all guys for today. Thanks for watching this video.